Good morning, children. Today I have come up with a new topic from your computer. And what is it? It is chapter 6, Time to Paint. I'm sure most of you love to paint. And I know almost all of you love colors. So how to paint in your computer? Come, I'll teach you. So children, this is my best book 6. As you can see, this is my best book 6 and chapter 6 of computer, Time to Paint, and it is page number 2. So children, in order to learn paint, you will have to open the paint. So here in the search bar, I will type paint, P-A-I-N-T, and as you can see, there is an app. I'll click on that. Okay, it is the left click. Now the paint screen comes up, right? You can see this is untitled paint. So this is the paint screen where you have the file, home, this is the file. Here you can save things, okay? And then you have home. Just a minute, children. Here you can see, here is the file, home, view. So you can use any one of them. Polygon tool. What is polygon tool? You can see this shape. This is a polygon. This is a polygon. This is a polygon. This is a polygon. Now what is a polygon? A polygon is a closed shape made up of lines. Shown here are the polygons. So this is see, all the 4 sides are closed. It's not open. Here all the 5 sides are closed. No side is open. Here all the 6 sides are closed. Similarly, here also you can see all the sides are closed. There is no way, no gap there, okay? So any closed side straight line joined together is a polygon, okay? Let us use the polygon tool to shape group to draw a polygon. See, on your screen, you can see this is shape here. These are the shape groups. These are the kind of shapes. See, this is a polygon. Okay, if I click on the polygon and I click here, so here look at the first step. Click on the polygon tool. Okay, I will click on the polygon tool. This is the polygon tool. I'll click on the polygon tool. This is the polygon tool. I have clicked on it. See, now it is highlighted. Now, select a color of your choice from the color group. This will be the color of the outline of the polygon. Now this is the color group. You can select any color from here, okay? I'll select this color, okay? See, I have selected this as the primary color, okay? Now whatever you draw, whatever line you draw will come in this color. It will draw in this color, okay? Now click in the drawing area and drag the pointer to draw a straight line. See, this is the mouse pointer. You can see this is the mouse pointer. If I drag a straight line, see, I have drawn a straight line. Now I will leave it, okay? Now leave the mouse button. I have left the mouse button. Move the mouse and click on any point in the drawing area. Now you see, I move the mouse and click on any point. See, I clicked here. Another line has come up. I did not do anything. I did not do anything. See, I just clicked here and see the line came up. Okay. Move the mouse and click on any point in the drawing area. The point gets connected to the end point of the line you had drawn earlier. Now, is it clear? I had drawn it till here, but when I put the mouse pointer here, the line was automatically drawn, okay? Now, repeat the above step to draw as many lines as you want for your polygon. Double click to complete the polygon. So, see, if I want to draw one more line here, I will click here. If I want to draw one more line here, I will click here. If I want to draw one more line here, I will click here. If I want to draw one more line here, I will click here. Now this is a complete polygon because the shape has been formed. And if I have to complete, I'll just double click on it. See, I just double clicked on it. Okay, my polygon here is complete, as you can see. A polygon having 5 sides is called as pentagon, and a polygon having 6 sides is known as hexagon. Any polygon having 5 sides are known as pentagon, and having 6 sides they are known as hexagon. Okay, children. So as the video is getting lengthy, I will teach you in the next class about the pencil tool. So till then, bye bye, take care.